Hey everybody, it's Wendy. Welcome. Today I have a very simple sweet treat for you. This is featuring the Sweetest Things bundle, which will be available for sale January 3rd. As you can see, it's an adorable set, stamp set and framelits. And I have a piece of gorgeous grape cardstock here cut at 4 by 2 and 1/8 and a piece of the, I think it's called Sweetest. I can't remember the name of the paper. It's listed below the video, all the supplies are, but it's cut at 1 3/4 by 1 3/4. So I'm scoring the paper out 2 inches, and then I've got my 2 by 8 cello bags that I've stuffed full of gumballs. I got these big green gumballs on Amazon. They're about $15 for a 2-pound bag, so they're not cheap, but I did link to them below the video so that if you're interested in purchasing them, you can. They come in all different colors. You'll see me using some that are pink and red for Valentine's and stuff like that. I really, really love them because they fill up the bags really cute, and they're kind of an unusual candy to give. So I don't know. I thought they were fun. Anyway, I'm stamping a bunch of these because I made a whole bunch of these little goodies. And I cut the framelit out there, you saw that, and then I'm just going to adhere this. I am actually going to give these away to you guys. So beginning January 3rd, which is when the new catalog launches, the first 15 people to purchase from me will receive one of these on top of other stuff I have going on. But this was just, I made a bunch of these and I thought, what am I going to do with these now? So I thought, what better to do with them than to give them to you? So the first 15 people that place an order with me on January 3rd will receive one of these little treats in the mail from me, just as a little thank you. Thanks so much for watching. Super quick, super easy little treat video here. All the information's in the link below and over on my blog. If you want to watch other videos, you can click either one you see here. Click the circle with my face in it to subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you next time. Have a good one.